Ladies and gentlemen, let us solve for the value of x in the following equation. The first step that you will take in solving this equation is that let us write 4 raised to power negative 1. 4 raised to power negative 1 is just the same as a quarter. It is the same as a quarter. Therefore, raised to power 2 minus the root of 5x plus 1 is equals to, we have 4 times 2 raised to power the root of 5x plus 1. Then 4 raised to power negative 1, I want to write it as 2 raised to power negative 2. Then we have also raised to power 2 minus the root of 5x plus 1, which is equals to 4 times 2 raised to power the root of 5x plus 1. Then what will follow? If we have negative 2 as the power and also 2 minus 5x plus 1 under the root sign, that is 2 minus root of 5x plus 1. What we will do, since we have the same base, that is 2 raised to power negative 2, and we also have 2 raised to power this, that is 2 minus the square root of 5x plus 1, then we will have to multiply the power. That is the same as 2 raised to power negative 2 times 2 minus the root of 5x plus 1 is equals to 4 is just the same as 2 raised to power 2. Then we have times 2 raised to power 5x plus 1 under the root sign. Now, if we have negative 2 into 2 minus the root of 5x plus 1, then let us open the bracket. Negative 2 times the whole of this. Let me close the bracket here. So I will have 2 raised to power negative 4. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Negative 2 times negative root of 5x plus 2, not plus 2 but plus 1, is just positive 2 root 5x plus 1 is equals to 2 raised to power 2 times 2 raised to power the square root of 5x plus 1. Now, since the bases, let me combine this one. That is 2 raised to power 2 times 2 raised to power root 5x plus 1. Let me combine them. So on our left hand side, we have 2 raised to power negative 4 plus 2 the square root of 5x plus 1 is equals to 2. Since a multiplication sign is in between and the bases are the same, then we have to add the powers. That is 2 plus the root of 5x plus 1. Then since the bases are the same, then we equate the powers. Therefore, we shall have negative 4 plus 2 root 5x plus 1 is equals to 2 plus the root of 5x plus 1. Now, what we shall do is that let us collect the like terms. We will have 2 root of 5x plus 1. Then if we bring this to this side, will be negative. That is 5x plus 1 under the root sign is equals to, we take this 4 to this side, so we will have 2 plus 4. So 2 root of 5x plus 1 minus root 5x plus 1, we will have the square root of 5x plus 1 is equals to 6. Now let us square both sides. if we square both sides, we will have 5x plus 1 is equals to 36. Now, since we have 5x plus 1 is equals to 36, then 5x is the same as 36 minus 1. So 5x is equals to 35 over 5 over 5. So we will have our x equals to 7. Therefore, our x is 7. And we can still prove whether we have gotten the answer, that is the value of x. As we can see, our initial equation, we have a quarter. Raised to power 2 minus the root of 5 times x, which is 7, and then plus 1. That was the value that we had on our left hand side. Therefore, let us see whether it is equal to the same that we will have on our right hand. Let us see what we have on our left hand first, then we can see whether they are the same as what we have on our right hand. So as you can see, we have a quarter raised to power 2 minus the square root of 5 times 7 is 35, then plus 1, this one. So we'll have a quarter raised to power 2 minus, this is the square root of 36. The square root of 36, because 35 plus 1 is 36, the square root of it is 6. Then, so we have a quarter raised to power 2 minus 6 is negative 4. This is just the same as 4 over 1. Because of this negative sign, we will have the reciprocal of a quarter, which is 4 over 1. So we will just have 4 raised to power 4. Because to remove this negative sign, we will have to find the reciprocal of a quarter, which is 4. So 4 raised to power 4 is just 256. That is 256. And let us see whether we will get also 256 on our right hand. So on our right hand, we were having 4 times 2 raised to power the square root of 5x. That is 5 into 7 plus 1. So we'll have 4 times 2 raised to power the square root of, this is 35 plus 1 is 36. The square root of 36 is 6. So let us just write at 6, that is under the root sign. So we'll have 4 times 2 raised to power 6. So 4 times 2 raised to power 6 is 64. So 4 times 64 is just 256. Therefore, this 256 on our right hand is the same as the 256 that we have gotten on our left hand. Therefore, our answer that we solve for x is 7. So the value of x is 7. We have proven indeed that the value of x is 7, since the left hand side is equals to the right hand side if we substitute our x as 7. So how I wish that you could subscribe, like, share and comment.